Today we will learn a new sound. It's Y sound. In this video, we will learn formation and action for Y sound. We will listen to a song, we will learn some words, and we will do some activities together. So let's start. Let's do the action together. Pretend to eat yogurt from a spoon, saying Y, Y, Y. And now let's write Y sound together. Put your finger up and say down, round, up, down, round the other way. And now listen to the song and do the action.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah, 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 yeah.
And now it's time to learn some words with Y sound. So let's start. We have yogurt, yogurt, yo-yo, yo-yo, yarn, yarn, yellow, yellow, yawn, yawn, yard, yard. And now it's activity time. Say the sounds and try to read the words.
Y, s, yes. Y, yell. Y, p, yap. Y, yam. Y, t, yet. Y, k, yak.
Click the pictures that begin with Y sound. We have yo-yo, yak, yogurt, yellow, yacht, yarn. And this is the end of our video. Thank you.